Let us walk you through a customer case with a pulp mill. In this case, we have a pulp mill with an annual capacity of 1.8 million tons of pulp. This customer had challenges with securing availability and production, improving quality, reducing maintenance costs, and improving safety. We started by defining the targets together with the customer. In this case, the focus was on improving reliability and maximizing availability. Next, we tailored the scope together. Based on this, we set up a skilled and motivated maintenance operations dream team, a team ready to take on the everyday challenges at site. In this case, the team managed to secure the availability up by 99% for the recovery boiler, fiber line, pulp dryer, and chemical pulping. The production increased by up to 100,000 tons per annum. With efficient collaboration, the team also managed to improve safety at the mill, get more out of the raw materials, reduce the impact on the environment, maximize reliability, and optimize performance. The Dream Team works with a modern mindset and processes. It is committed to safe and sustainable on-site maintenance operations, allowing you to focus on your core business. Are you ready to succeed with us?